Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. So everyone has been asking me, what's been working in 2021 and what am I still into in 2022? So let's have a look at the following. Which smart contracts I'm still using, which API options I'm using, what is new. I'll recommend staying until you have seen what's coming, and which exchanges I'm using for what. Now, the first smart contract I'm in is the drip network. The drip network gives you 1% daily until you've reached 365%. When you get into drip network, your funds is locked in and you're waiting for your daily payout. Now, the drip network has been around since the beginning of 2021 and I got in just after the beginning. I got in when the price was around $2 a drip and it reached $100 a drip not too long ago. With the dev Forex Shark building an ecosystem, it's giving the drip network opportunity and momentum to keep on growing. But as we've seen before, with anything that's dripping or increasing your amount of coins, eventually the price starts fluctuating. But at this current stage, I can't complain because the drip network is working really well for me. The second smart contract I'm in is Elephant's Money Stampede, which gives you Trunk. Now, Trunk is Elephant's Money stable coin. This stable coin is put together by 75% BUSD and 25% Elephant Trunk. When you put in your BUSD, you get Trunk. And you use your trunk to buy bonds. And by buying bonds, you lock your funds in, but you get the option of a 205% return. The one thing with Stampede is you can't compound. You need to claim your return. And by doing this, you have the option of keeping it or putting it back in. I've been in this one for around about a month. And currently I can't complain with the 0.56% return daily. Let's look at my API options. Betscap, the grid trading bot. All-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Base crypto trading bots, smart algorithm orders, portfolio demo trading, everything you need. Easily manage your assets with one interface. Now, I've been with Betscap for more than a year as well, and I can't complain. My grid setups are long-term setups on the main coins in the markets. And as the market drops or moves up and down, I keep on making profits and gathering more and more crypto. With the latest around about 10% drop in the market, I've made enough profit to stay even on my current account. I'm really happy with the grid trading from Betscap and I'll keep on doing it as long as I can. The next API I'm using is the RawQc app. Now the RawQc is a quantitative trading. It's a one click to start a quantitative trading system, realize automatic intelligent trading, real-time monitoring and tracking of big data algorithms, adjust real-time market conditions, the best quantitative strategy to stop profit and maximize users' profit. Now the DCA bot gives you more than one option. You can put in your own strategy and the bot will trade on your behalf. If you don't have the knowledge on how to put in a strategy, you can go through the app and look at the different traders, their performance, the percentage gains, and you can decide to follow a trader. You don't have to follow every single coin they trade. You can choose how many coins you want to trade, and each trader will tell you what is the minimum amount needed per pair. The RawQc DCA bot has been working really well for me, and I keep on moving forward with it. CopyPro Traders, the manual trading. I'm one of their traders as well. CopyPro Traders is a crypto trade execution platform for professional and non-professional traders. Professional traders can easily manage and execute trades with our priority software through the power of social trading. Non-professional traders can easily and automatically make the same trades as the pros they follow. Now it's so easy because you only need to connect your API keys to the CopyPro Traders system, and every time one of their traders or the chosen trader by you puts in a trade, the trade will mirror on your side, giving the option of doing exactly the same trade. Your funds is in your exchange. If you don't like the trade, you can just go and close it. If you don't like how the system is working, you can just delete your API keys and your funds is still in your own exchange. Now, for something new, this is what's coming. Librarium Crypto. Librarium Crypto is a crypto trading execution site where users get the benefit and freedom of social trading. Now, Librarium is similar to CopyPro Traders, but it's going to be a lot more advanced. You got more trading pairs, you get USDT, you get BTC and ETH pair options. You get more exchange options to use as well. And the main benefit with Librarium is you're paying per trade. The fee you're paying is giving you an X amount of trades that needs to be converted or active before your funds run out. Where with CopyPro Traders, you're paying a monthly subscription. Now with Librarium, for example, if you use a trader that trades slow with bigger margins, your subscription might only be due every 2 months or every 6 weeks. If you follow a trader who does a lot of trades and keep rolling capital, you might need to renew your subscription weekly or every 2 weeks. Now currently Librarium is in pre-launch. No trading has started yet. You got the option to sign up currently, and then there will be a period where you can test the system for free. And only after that, you'll need to pay your subscription. It's a pretty unique opportunity. It's early. You can test it and you can see how it works for yourself. So make sure not to miss this opportunity. The exchanges I'm currently using 5 exchanges. Kraken, I'm doing my main and self trading. Qcoin, I'm using for the Betscap grid trading. FTX, I'm doing some coin buying and manual trading. Binance Exchange and Huobi Exchange, I'm using mainly for RawQc. I got 2 separate accounts on RawQc, one on Binance and one on Huobi, to keep on rolling because the movement in the markets is different on each exchange. I'm not using an exchange yet for Librarium because I'm waiting for the official launch and for it to start. Make sure to get the links down in the description and see what can work for you. There's multiple options and only you can decide which one is the best for you and will work the way you would like it to work. Please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe as well so you keep getting the right information and see what I'm doing. Leave me your comments and concerns down below and let me know what you think. Have a great one and happy crypto gains.